Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be going over Rue Morgue Magazine. This is issue number 61, October 2006. It is the 9th anniversary Halloween issue, Lucio Fulci special. So let's take a look at that. For the beautiful Gary Pullen cover, this is issue 61, October 2006. Let's see, 9th anniversary Halloween issue, Lucio Fulci special. Some ads. Notes from the Underground by Javanka Yukovic. This would be the years where Javanka was the editor-in-chief. I consider this the classic years. These are my favorite. Sorry about the shadow. I'm trying to... Just a quality magazine. Just heavy paper. That's a cool chainsaw guitar. Fear Factor candy. Okay. This is the Fulci, the master, the godfather of gore. One of my top directors. Yes, the interview was conducted by Javanka. And the interview was with Antonella Fulci, the daughter. Here's a little list of all his films. Here's a breakdown of all his brutal gore scenes, splatter set pieces. A little breakdown on composer Fabio Frizzi. 50 alternative horror books for the readers. That's a cool ad for Abominable. It's a good Bigfoot movie if you haven't seen that. 2006. Okay. Can't believe it's been that long. Let's see. Festival wrapper up from Fantasia. Snoop Dogg, Hood of Horror. This is a section on Calvert. A nice street trash ad. A history of the Ouija board. That's what I love about Rue Morgue. It's movies, music, just occult, supernatural. It's a little breakdown of everything. Great magazine. A little interview with R. Lee Ermey. One nasty son bitch. Dave Alexander. A photo gallery from Festival of Fear. A review of The Wicker Man with Nicolas Cage. I know I've seen that, but I can't remember a bit of it, so I've got to rewatch that just to see how crazy it is. Snakes on a Plane. I'll Always Know What You Did Last Summer. Anchor Bay DVD. I've not seen any of those films. Shakarama with Misty Monday. I have not seen that, but I dig that guy. Classic JMB with Udo Kier, the legend. Devil's Reign. That's a great movie. Oh, Let's Scare Jessica to Death. These are the reissues from 2006. There's two great movies. Baby Blood, another. Romeo and Juliet. I've not seen that, but I've heard good things on that. Baby Blood's very interesting. Henry Portrait of a Serial Killer Part 2. Have not seen that. Can't imagine without Rooker. Live for live feed. This, I don't remember what, this must be the Hostel years. Wednesday 13. The Sasquatch Diaries. It looks amazing. John Bowen. I always like reading his section. It's a cool Beyond shirt. The Brain. Chris Alexander is also interesting to read. And here's your comics. I just love Rue Morgue. They've got everything covered. Marvel Zombies. That was a good miniseries. Edward Lee Slither. There's some good books. Speaking of Slither, and The Gourmet. I really like reading his section. This was on Bone Sickness Health. So that's a really good zombie independent film. And the music reviews. A nice evil bong. Cannibal Corpse, The Bleeding Reissue. And the video game section was covering Dead Rising, Xbox 360. That was a really fun game. And winding down. That is it. It's around 136 pages for this beauty. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.